So welcome back guys, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix if your right or left AirPod is not working properly. So this is the fourth video that I have been making on AirPod, and many of you thanks me for the solution and tricks I have told in the previous videos. And the motive of the fourth video is to explain more properly how to fix such problems if you are facing like a charging or a pairing problem. So guys, on the basis of your comments, I'm going to cover three problems in this video. So first is if your AirPod is not charging properly. Second problem is if your AirPod is not pairing with your mobile properly. Or third problem is if your charging case is not charging your AirPods properly. Fine. So first we'll start with the if your AirPod is not charging properly. And I have seen many comments and asking me a solution for if my AirPod is not charging properly. So how to fix such problem? So first of all guys, you need to take out your AirPods from the charging case, and you can see that on the bottom side there is a silver cover on the bottom side, and you need to open it from your nails. You can use your nails to open it, and you can see that there are two terminals. One is plus and second is minus. So guys, you need to make sure that these two terminals should be in the center position. You can see that it is slightly to the right side. So you need to basically fix this terminals to the center. So you can use anything. You can use the matchstick to and you can use matchsticks and insert it here like this using your nails, and just to give support to make it center. And once you insert matchsticks or make this terminals to the centers, you just need to put this AirPod into the charging case and see if the red light in your charging case is become steady or not. Because if the light is blinking continuously in charging case, then it is for the pairing mode. If the light is in the steady mode, then it is in the charging mode. So to make sure your AirPod is charging properly, the light should be in the steady. Guys, let me clear you one thing, that you need to insert this AirPod without silver cover, so it can directly connect to the terminals of the charging case. You can see these inside two terminals to connect to the AirPods. If both terminals do not connect with the AirPods terminal, that there is a chance it is not charged properly. So this is the only case the AirPod will not work or will not charge properly if these two terminals not connect with each other. Understood? So guys, you just need to make sure that it connects properly, and you just need to push it and push it again, push it. Just you need to take out and push it, and you need to just take out and push it to see if it is the red light is become steady or not. If its red light becomes steady, then you can say that it is charging or it is in the charging mode. Or if it is light blinking into the red light or blue light, then it is in the pairing mode. So you need to make sure that its light becomes steady for the charging. And to fix the pairing mode, guys, you need to make sure that its light should be in the blinking mode. Understood? And guys, one comment I also read about one is not being able to close this bottom side. So you just need to put on the you just need to put like this, and you just need to turn clockwise, so it will close automatically. You don't need to push with the force. You just need to rotate clockwise, so it will close properly. You can see that. Or if you use force to close it, then guys, you will end up with the not closed properly. So that is the problem. So I hope you understood. So now the second problem is how to fix if your AirPod is not pairing properly. So this is kind of a software problem, guys. So you need your mobile. So in the mobile you need to delete your pairing information in the Bluetooth section. So guys, now the third problem is if your charging case is not charging your AirPod properly. So how to fix such problem, guys? You need to reset your charging case in this problem. So first step is when the air machine is turned off, so you need to turn off this machine by pressing its sensor for 5 seconds. Once it is turned off, you need to put into the charging case for 5 seconds and unplug the power supply, and guys, repeat this step about 5 times and delete the I12 TWS device information from the Bluetooth devices. And after repeating these steps 5 times, guys, your charging case will be reset and your charging case will charge properly your AirPods.